Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute hair bow using the mini Bowdabra. So let's get started. First I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, fold it in half, and lay it into the mini Bowdabra, and I'm just going to tuck it underneath so it stays out of my way. Lay that down in there, and then I have these picks that we're just going to lay in because I think they're going to add a little holiday spirit to this bow. And then now what I'm going to do is just kind of pinch it in the middle. So it's kind of like a mountain up, lay that down, and then take this one. And I love this ribbon because it's almost like a little leatherette. It's really a cool ribbon. And again, I'm just going to take this little mountain, put that down in here. And the reason that I like the mountain is it shapes it so you don't have to sew. And now I'm just going to do the same thing with this ribbon. Whoops, let's just go there. And then I'm just going to take my red beads, and you can see how super simple this is to make. And any little girl, the other thing about this is you can use this as the gift wrap, as the bow on a present for a little girl. And we're just going to pull this through here, pull this through my slip knot. And please comment below and let me know what kind of projects you'd like me to do in our future videos. We're going to separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and tie it, and then I'm going to knot it. And then the way that I'm going to attach it to my headband is I'm just going to go on the inside of my headband and bring this up through here. And I think I'm going to bring it up through here. And just bring that there. And then I'm also going to take this here, because we don't want this to be near the little girl's head. So we're just going to bring this through here. And now I'm just going to tie a knot and double knot it. And then just clip it really tight, close in. And you have this really cute little headband. So how super simple is that to make?